Revit Structure tutorials. If you're interested in learning Revit Structure, subscribe now.
Hello everyone. I'm Masood Bakhtiari, a structural engineer. If you're interested in learning Revit for structural concrete building, please subscribe to my channel. Before you watch this video, please support me so that I can provide more high-quality tutorials in the future. Thank you.
At first step, we want to examine the learning map about drawing rebar of beam. As you can see, the learning map consists of 7 steps. First step is the step in which we select the beam that the rebar we want to draw in the structural plan in CAD file, and then specify it. Step 2. After selecting the desired beam in structural plan in AutoCAD, it will find this beam in the Revit model. After finding the desired beam in Revit model, it's time to assembly the beam. For Create Assembly, we select all the beam and click on the Create Assembly option and give it a specific name. Don't forget to check the assembled elements again after creating assembly. As you can see, in the part where the beam is connected to the slab, the beams are not completely visible and they are not separate, so by using the switch order option, we put the beam as the main element and separate it from slab. After this step, we need to view this assembly in 3D view alone, so we need to use the section box option. For this, just click on the Edit Assembly option and select the desired beam and click on the section box. To create section for drawing rebar, we need to have a structural plan view in the level of the desired beams, so we choose the structural plan view where the desired beam is located. The last step in this stage is that we clean the desired structural plan view and hide extra elements. Revit Structure tutorials.